Hi and welcome to JustJerriJ. Now, most of us are in lockdown, but we still need to produce content for our audience. So why not use your house as a location house? The main thing that you need to look for in your house is light. And at the moment, I have 3 main points of light in my house, and I'm going to show you how I produce content for my Instagram feed. So the first point of light that I always go to is the biggest in my house. And one of them is my window, which is to the right of me. So it's a full, bright living room window. At the moment, it's a dull day, so I've got soft light coming in. And I will sit here and set my camera up on a timer, and I will use different props to take the picture. For example, my laptop, a magazine or a book, or a notepad, and that's the kind of stuff that you can batch content out. So look for a nice spot on your sofa, tidy up the area, find that big window, face it, either full on face it, which is flatter light, or you can do a 45 degree, which means that I'll have light coming in this way, maybe a little bit of shadow this way, just to give you a bit more of a depth in your image. So this is my second position. If you have a great chair in your house, you can grab hold of it, move it around, find the light and position it in front of the light. So I'm positioned in front of my French doors here, and as you can see behind me, that was the window I used to shoot on the sofa. Then you have many props. You can sit here with a mug, be looking out the window, contemplating, find a really good caption for that. Guys, what are you thinking about right now? Locked inside. You can also shoot things on your phone, pretending that you're putting images up or searching for new content, have a caption for that. There's many other things that you can take pictures on while you're sat on a chair, and here are a few of mine that I took recently while we were in lockdown. And this is the third location that I like to use within my house. So here I have a window to the left of me. Again, it's quite wide and soft light. I either stand to the side or I stand 45 degrees onto it, so I get more of a full light on my face. And I'll shoot with my cup of coffee in my hand, or I will shoot while I'm making a cafetiere. So take a look around your house and use your windows as your softboxes. Grab your furniture, grab your laptops, your notebooks, your books, your drawing pads, and start shooting content around your house that you can batch out over social media in the next month or so. And don't forget, if you've got a partner with you at home, they can use the camera, they can put it on auto, or they can put it on AV, and they can help you shoot around your house. In the meantime, please do keep in touch. I want to know that you're watching and you're enjoying the show. Leave a comment, let me know what it is that you want to see here on JustJerriJ. I want to get to know you and your business and your creative journey. So please comment below, subscribe, and all that good stuff.